Warnemünde, Germany. Ja. Guten Morgen, was ist los?
Nichts.
Nichts?
Ne,
Ah, Kahoons ist los. So, how are you? Nichts?
So Warnemünde is a very nice place to. We need to go to Berlin because that's the capital.
You will not regret. It's nice. Berlin have changed a lot.
But when we come back, I promised Clark to walk him over there. See right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very close, but that's
This
when we
is
come back. Like
Warnemünde, Germany. Kahoons is los, kako tumakas yan. That's a bad word for Germany.
That's why the other man like turned around and he was not.
Yeah. Was ist los, kako? Nichts? What? That's ferry. Pumunta ng city map.
I think we have plenty of time to
Huh? Yeah.
stay here, then go to the city center as well. And so as you like. If you have further questions, we have the tourist information office in Warnemünde as well. There.
Yeah. A little bit. Guten Morgen. Was ist los? Go. Nichts?
Was ist los?
Yeah.
You're an
Yeah.
Army veteran?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, when did you serve?
74, 76 in Hanau.
Oh, Hanau.
Yeah. By Frankfurt.
Here?
Yeah, yeah.
You were stationed here?
I was stationed in
No
Germany.
way.
Yeah. Gelnhausen.
And you're bringing our American football to us.
Right? Yeah.
Are you a fan of any team?
Yeah. 49ers. What you...
Minnesota Vikings.
It's all right. It's all right.
That's all right.
So I was...
Here's the map for you. Sorry.
I want to show her Germany because you had to see the countryside. It's nice.
Is it?
Yeah, Koblenz, Hamburg.
You already all
yeah,
these cities?
Yeah.
Really?
Is it Koblenz close here? No.
Not really.
Hamburg, right?
Maybe 8 hours away.
Yeah, I know.
And Hamburg is 2 hours away.
Hamburg is 2 hours away?
But this is just the way.
Yeah, I was get to the station.
This is over there to the Ferris wheel.
Walking
Then to
map,
the
I
left-hand
would
side, there's the
recommend.
train station.
You know, Hamburg is 2 hours away from here. We got to go there next time because there's our national hero, Jose Rizal. There's a monument.
Where?
Hamburg,
Near who?
Jose Rizal.
Yeah, which national hero?
Our national hero from the Philippines.
The name is?
Jose Rizal, Rizal. Jose.
Where is the statue in Hamburg?
You know, I don't know, but I have not.
Well, I lived several years in Hamburg, so I was
Really?
wondering myself. I'm thinking.
Hamburg is nice.
I love the city.
I love it. Yeah, Koblenz is nice, isn't it?
I've never been there.
Nice.
So you're here. You need to go this way and this way. So here's the Ferris wheel. You go past this Ferris wheel over the bridge. And here's the center. Okay.
So there's
It's a 10-minute walk.
So train station.
Ah, you went to train. Yeah, train. Train station is here. And you can buy the day pass ticket for €7 per person at the machines for.
7 days all the way to Berlin.
No.
How about all the way
This
to
is only
Berlin?
for Rostock. Berlin, I don't know. So you need to go to the central station of Rostock and then go to the counter inside of the central station. There you can buy the new ticket for Berlin.
So we have to walk all the way. How far away? Yeah. You?
I have a cab.
Oh, you have a cab? Oh,
mas mabilis sa saan?
mas magandang train. Kung
all day.
kung ang 5 kayo, okay lang.
Right, and if you have all day,
Yeah.
if you are not like
Yeah, we 2 hours and 2 hours back. It's okay.
you're like
Train is a
staying-
better drive.
You're staying in a
Right.
hotel here, but if you're chasing the time, like I saw in the video, if you have like a time that the ship's leaving, you're chasing a time, it's not practical. Direct si Clark na lang yan.
Ah,
Kasi I promised him to, I'm gonna walk him here. We're gonna go to the fair.
nice.
Oh, slushy for God, slushy. Yeah, I really gotta take him here.
Yan pa, oh.
Yes. Sabi niya, how long are you gonna be gone tayo sa 6 hours, anak? I promise, sabi ko, bababa tayo. Sabi niya, mas ready si the train. Ay, mga mountains nila ayaw niya. Ito na yung station na. Yung gray.
Nanay naninigas dito sa harap.
Ayun na yung picture.
Ah.
Hindi niya imagine.